Hey guys, it's Manuel Alvarez here. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a tour of my Weebly website for our final project. Sorry about that. So yeah, here we are. Here's the home page, right here. Computer Science major at Stockton University. That's my full name. I have a little introduction here, followed by I got these three websites. One of them is ours that offers more information about the major, computer science. So you see right here, Stockton right here, the Stockton Computer Science program. I have a video right here that
When I
explains it
found out that
from
Google
Tech
was
Prep,
doing career
which you
certificates and they
can
had one
watch
in
when you
data
look at the
analytics, I
website.
thought it seems like
See?
computer.
And then I have another one from the University of Minnesota, Duluth. How I don't know how to pronounce that name really, but right here it explains. I picked those three out because I think they explain them pretty good, and one of them's our own college, which is nice. Here's a little profile picture of me and our logo, the school I'm in, which is the School of Business, and our campus. At the bottom here, you could use the bottom little buttons, or you can use the top ones. Doesn't matter. They both bring you to the same place. So if I go over to About Me here, it's gonna bring me here. Or if I go on the bottom and press it there, it's gonna bring me there too. Anyways, so on to the next page. Who is Manuel? So you guys probably know me. I was in your digital portfolio class. I'm the computer science major there, along with forgot his name, the other kid. Also, I know. So here's a little profile picture. It's me. So I have a little introduction right here about how I got here and everything, and what I'm doing, what I'm learning, especially in this class. Uh, a link to my LinkedIn right here. So there's no link or anything. You just press on the picture, and it'll bring you. Wait, that is not. Oh wait, sorry. My introduction video is what I meant. The LinkedIn's at the bottom right here. So this is my introduction video. You press on it, and it'll bring you to the video on YouTube. This one is my LinkedIn account. Sorry about that. It's the employer information in case someone wants to see. That's a typo. I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, right here, you just press this button, and there's my LinkedIn. Same thing at the bottom. It could bring me to whatever I want. So my blog. So right here, this page is all about our blogs. Blogger. My blog spot in particular. To get there, all we have to do is press this picture. See, I stated it right here. Just click on the blog image on the left, and you pick it, and it takes you right to my blog. On the bottom, I have a little description of the other types of blogs we have. These are the YouTube videos, but as I said before, you could click on this and it'll bring you there. These are just little previews of what's on there. So next tab is the Smackdowns. I have a little. It's kind of cut off, but couldn't really fit, I guess. Have a little picture right here, WWE SmackDown, because I'm guessing this is where the professor got it from, or Dr. Spalding got it from. So I have a little description of what it are. So Smackdowns are a showcase of an app or tool. It is meant to give more information on these tools. That way you can familiarize yourself with it, and you decide if it is helpful and which one is better. Which one is the better tool. I have the two Smackdowns right here. So I have also the description that we put on our blogs for it on the right, so they can read about it. Right here, it's just gonna bring you to the YouTube video, or you could just play it from here. So this is the SmackDown page. Oh, and also this button right here. If you want to see the whole description and the whole blog post about it, you just press that button, and it'll bring you right to it. Same thing with this one. Press the button, and it'll bring you right to my SmackDown. So now, last but not least, we have my contact me page. So anybody can fill a survey out here, submit it, and I'll get it on the website. I'll get like a notification. That shouldn't be there, but I'm gonna delete it. And then get in touch with me. So here I have my email, my phone number, my address. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, my phone number, email, the address, and here's the map of our Stockton University right here. Also, we had to do a little poll, so I have some suggestions here for you guys. If you guys want to fill them out and give me suggestions, how good is the website? If it's not one of these, tell me what it is on this one. Was it easy to navigate through? And any other comment suggestions, and you can just submit them there, and I'll get them. So one thing real quick. So sorry, what I wanted to do was fix my mistakes. So as you can see here, I fixed it right here, no more typo. And I got rid of the button at the end because that wasn't really needed. But it's really that simple, guys. It's on Weebly.com. It's actually a really good tool to make a website. It's pretty easy, actually. And I'm glad I got to finally figure out how to make one, And this is just a starter website, of course, but I'm aiming to improve and cultivate my skills to be able to do it better, But yeah, guys, that's my website, my final website. Thank you.